Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, M.A.J. Customs. I am Amanda, and today hubby is going to be doing this video. I mean, I'll be helping him through it, but he is going to print a Halloween image on a mouse pad because he wants a new mouse pad. He doesn't want the old one anymore. So without further ado, without further ado, y'all, let's get into this video. Okay everyone, so here we are at in Silhouette Studios, and this is the image that we are going to use. We are putting it on a 8.5 by 11 paper, so you want to go into your page setup and change your width and height size. If you are going to use this for, well, it doesn't matter what you actually use it for, just make sure you change your size, but we are using this for a mouse pad. Okay, so we have 8 by height and 9.5 by the length. And then you want to flip it, you want to make sure you turn it to the side so it'll fit on the page, the 8.5 by 11 sheet, okay? So now remember to mirror your image, and now I'm gonna go ahead and send it over to the printer, the Epson EcoTank 8550, and then I'll be back and show you all the image. Okay everyone, so we use the Blanks Galore 8.5 by 11 for this image. And this is the image right here. Y'all could see. Alright. And again, we got this off of Creative Fabrica, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and go over to the heat press so we can get ready to press this, okay? Okay everyone, so we're back. Hubby already cut out the image he just cut off the excess sublimation paper. And now he's just taping it down, getting ready to press it. Say hi.
Getting ready to screw up. Getting ready to screw up.
What are we doing, 400?
Yeah.
Okay, so the heat press is still going up. It's only at 393. So we're gonna let it reach 400, and then we're gonna come back and press it for 60 seconds, okay? Okay, everyone, here we go.
Kind of let the steam go away.
You gonna put your gloves on.
I don't want no ghost in there.
You want me to do it?
What you trying to sound like peel tape?
No, I just know it just be too hot.
You can take more heat than me, huh, but probably can. Never know.
Don't burn your arm. You're getting close to that top plate. All right, y'all. Let me bring it down. It's hot.
Bam.
Here it goes. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Woo. I think it came out really nice. I get them in there. It's really, really hot. Really, really hot. But look at that, y'all. Ain't that nice? Awesome.
My stuff always works sometimes.
Oh my. Okay, y'all. So hubby did an awesome job. It's always fun. It's always fun to get him. Oh, watch your glasses. It's always fun to get him in the camera, in the videos when he can be available. So here it goes. This is his new mouse pad. I guess he's in the Halloween spirit. I don't know. He just picked this image. He really liked it. Came out really cute.
Oh, it's weird.
So if y'all like our videos, if this video was informative and it was fun to do, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and we will see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed.
And trust, you'll be seeing me more.
Bye. Have a good one.